In this video, we're going to learn about the equation of a circle. So let's look at this circle over here. It is centered at point HK. Let's write that down. HK is its center. And it has radius r. So the equation of this circle would be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, the radius squared. So now, using this example, let's go solve some problems. What is the equation of the circle centered at 3, 4 with radius 2? Well, we just saw that if the center of a circle is hk and its radius is r, then the equation of the circle would be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So if the center is 3, 4, then h must be equal to 3 and k must be equal to 4. So we have x minus 3 squared instead of x minus h squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to r squared. And we know that the radius is 2, so we have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 2 squared, which is just equal to 4. Now let's go check if this equation is correct. Okay, so now we're on Desmos, which is a graphing app. And we're going to graph our equation. X minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to 4. And we see that this is indeed a circle with a center at 3, 4. We go 3 to the right and 4 up, and it has radius 2. So let's move on to the next question. What is the radius of the circle x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 25? So we know that the equation of a circle with center hk and radius r is this. And we see that this equation is in the same form as this equation. So that means r squared must be equal to 25. So if we take the square root of both sides, we get r is equal to 5. Now let's go check if this is the correct answer by graphing the equation. So let's graph the equation. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 25. And we see that the center of the circle is at 2, 3. Zoom out a bit. And that it has a radius 5. So we got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the final problem. Find the equation of the circle below. Now first of all, we see that the center of the circle is right here, and this point is 5, 5. So we have a center at 5, 5. And our radius is this length right here. And this point is 0, 5. Which means that the radius has length 5. So r is equal to 5. And now we're ready to write our equation. Our equation is x minus h. And remember, h is the x-coordinate, and in this case the x-coordinate is 5. X minus 5 squared plus y minus k, which is the y-coordinate, which in this case is 5. So y minus 5 squared is equal to r squared, the radius squared, which in this case is 5 squared, which is 25. Now let's go check our answer. if we enter the equation x minus 5 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 25, we see that we get the same circle that we had in the problem.